and final lap, guys. This is it. Nobody in front. Let's do this. Let's do this. Let's try to go for a relatively clean and fast lap. Whoa! Braking. Oh, lovely. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. And brake. And brake a little bit for the right-hander. There we go. Oh man, I love this. I can't count how many times I've flown off here in this corner in a sim. Oh wow, look at that. No! I've seen that guy on the parking space before. Oh man, that is so sad. He had a really well prepared car, it seems. A full cage and everything, and yeah, well, that's how quickly this can change here. Let's not get distracted by that. Braking a little bit before the jump. Thank you guys. Appreciate it a lot. Still being careful. That BMW and me, we seem to have the same rhythm. I've always met him so far on the track here. Come on, come on, come on. Through the foxhole, I will brake a little bit before that. Wow, compression. Always awesome. Kissing the curb just a little bit. To cool the tires down completely between the stints. I've waited about 15 or 20 minutes between each lap to cool down the brakes and the tires and everything, but it's not enough to cool the car down completely. Oh wow, look at that. Is that an old Rolls Royce? What the hell is that? I think it is actually. Or an old Bentley, I have no idea. Look at that guy. Thank you. Well, good for him. Little bit of a slide, just like in the sim. In this corner. Little bit of oversteer on corner entry there. I did not want to continue that slide though, because that's a little bit too dangerous in that section. At least not on our first time out here on the Nordschleife with this car. Well, actually, technically the third time, since this is the third lap, but you guys know what I mean. Oh, I love this corner, kissing the curb. There we go, full on throttle. A car with a lot of stickers. probably a rental. Okay. Alright, there we go. It is not as easy to take parts like this one flat out in real life as it is in the sim. In the sim you just don't think about it, you just go. But here you feel the bumps in the road more, you can feel that the car is unsettling itself a little bit, so you're a bit more careful. But I'm so happy with this lap. This is a nice clean lap, probably not very fast, I will admit to that, but it's clean, nobody in front, we can just drive. This is awesome. Okay, let's my rear tires are definitely struggling a little bit, definitely a little bit overheating. Shifting down into second gear. Oh, catapulting myself out of the carousel, which feels amazing. I hope that we can capture G-forces in Sims sooner rather than later, because guys, we're really missing out. VR is great, but it's nothing against driving this for real. Oh, I love this part on the brake. Okay, now I'm starting to get used to the car and the track a little bit more. I'm being a little bit more brave. Whoa! That almost went bad. I have to be a little bit more careful since my rear tires are definitely overheating. So let's be a little bit careful here. Again, trying to oversteer. There we go. Woo! Alright. Getting close towards the end. Careful here in this left-hander, especially with my rear tires being a little bit too hot. Whoa! Really weird to drive over that little drop there, because the brake pedal kind of gets stiff for a second and you have no brakes whatsoever, and then they work again, luckily. Okay, could be a bit more brave here, but don't want to risk too much. Okay, let's do a little bit of a jump here out of the second carousel. There we go. Ah, this is good. This is good. So in the sim you would make better use of the width of the track, but here I'm afraid that the side of the track is a little bit dirty, or could be a little bit dirty. There could be a little bit of debris, so maybe there's less grip. So I will stay more in the middle of the track. Anyway guys, that was the third lap. We survived, the car survived. That was awesome. Woo! Woo! Oh, that's loud. Alright guys, the 3 laps are done. I'm super happy. The car did extremely well. I could not be happier with that. Yeah, so this was the Nordschleife in 2019. We will probably be here again this year after we've done some mods. I definitely want to do the suspension next. I think there's a lot to be gained there. There's too much body roll on the track, at least, and on the street it's just too rough and too hard. So I think we can reach a better compromise with that. Not sure yet if I will go with KW version 3 or with the Bilstein setup or with something else completely. Not sure. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed this. There will be much more track days to come this year. I will see you soon guys. Bye bye.